Welcome back to Disney Canuck. Today we open up some Haunted Mansion mystery pins. For this unboxing, I don't really care what pins I get because I really want them all. They're all pretty cool and they're Haunted Mansion, and this is the 50th anniversary. So for our first pin, we got one of the hitchhiking ghosts. Let's dig into the second pin. And for our second pin, we got one of the other hitchhiking ghosts. Our third pin is our last of the hitchhiking ghosts. We got all three of those. That's so cool. Now for this one, it feels different, so I think this one might be one of the chasers. And it is a chaser. It's the Haunted Mansion 50th crest. Well, that's the unboxing. I'm pretty excited because I got the 3 hitchhiking ghosts and the Haunted Mansion logo for the 50th anniversary in Disneyland. If you like this type of content, then consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I issue a video on YouTube. If you're interested, I also have a website at DisneyCanuck.com, which contains all kinds of information on vacation planning, and soon to go up is information on Disney pins. Thank you for watching today, and see you real soon!